How you doing, my fellow YouTubers? This your boy Big Nasty, and I came, to blog about something. I figured, I got a new computer, why not get my blog on? First off, let's just get straight to the point. The Kanye situation. I'm so tired of hearing about that shit. I mean, get over it. Okay, so he told the girl the award should have went to Beyonce. It should have. You know it, and I know it. Beyonce is the hardest working woman in show business. You know what I'm saying? And they made it just seem like he just blatantly disrespected her. He didn't just go just too far with it, just out of control with it. He just kept it real, which is what Kanye does. I mean, before he he said what he had to say. He told her, congratulations, and he's not trying to knock her style or nothing like that. But I mean, shit happens. I mean, people just need to get over it. I mean, like, I just really don't know what else to say. Just come on. Cut the man a break. I mean, he's a rapper. Rappers gonna do things that people are not gonna like. You know what I'm saying? So just hate people that make this much controversy about the Don Amish bullshit. You know what I'm saying? That he could say nappy headed hoes, but we can't say what's going on mine. Nah, forget that. So, to anybody who hated on Kanye for that, fuck this, fuck that, and fuck you.